Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Thread Tank. This is a company that makes statement t-shirts. I'm super excited about it. They let me go on their website and pick out 2 t-shirts so I can show you guys and do a little review. So their little motto is stories you can wear. They have all sorts of themed t-shirts. You can search by theme. They have like motherhood ones, wine and coffee ones, empowerment, travel. So let's take a look. So, let me see if I can remember. Yes, I got one that says coffee. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. It makes a nice gift too, the way it comes wrapped like that. And of course there's different styles of t-shirts. They have like crew necks, and I like this one. Kind of like an oversized off the shoulder type thing, and it just says coffee. I only started drinking coffee since right after I had Jackson. It was probably, well, not right after. I think it was like 1 or 2 years after I had Jackson, and I never knew the wonderful powers of coffee. So of course now that I do, I'm obsessed. And I work from home, so I do wear a lot of like leggings, PJs, stuff like that. So I think this will be awesome. It's probably going to be my new favorite comfy shirt. And I got it. This one, the style runs a bit large, so I made sure to get a bigger size just because I wanted it kind of baggy. So that is the first shirt, and it does feel like it'd be super comfy. And again, I like the neck on that. And something neat about the tag, it says stories are chapters we write about our life's journeys. Memories are the diaries that we carry with us. Love that. At Thread Tank, every shirt has a beginning and, most importantly, a great ending. How will your story go? The pen is in your hands, the rest is still unwritten. Love that. Also had a card that was buried in there. Just a little thank you card. Thread Tank apparel is designed and handcrafted in Los Angeles, California. Our tops are super soft, comfy, and best of all, it tells your story. Cute little card. And then, let's see. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these shirts also come in different colors. So this was available in black, and maybe this color, I'm not quite sure. I typically wear like all black, but I thought I would kind of step outside my box and get a gray, and then this color is really pretty. And this one is just a plain t-shirt, and in the corner here it says kill 'em with kindness. Truly believe that. I always try to be kind as best I can. I mean, sometimes obviously everyone has their moments, but yeah, kill 'em with kindness. Love that. But yeah, I will link their website below. They have several different styles of tees. They have like the baseball tees, or I think they're called Reagan tees. They have all sorts of ones, all sorts of sayings, all sorts of topics. So definitely check them out. And I just went and tried them on real quickly. This one fits perfectly. I love the off the shoulder. It just, that one fits me great. I typically don't insert pictures of myself. I don't know. I just, self-consciousness, and I just don't like that. This one is interesting because it's a plain t-shirt, and I don't know if you can tell, but it just like goes straight down, if that makes sense. Like I feel like a lot of girl shirts kind of come in like that a little, and the weight that I have tends to gravitate in my stomach, so a lot of girl shirts or just some t-shirts are tight in that area, but this isn't, because it comes straight down and it does not, you know, come in from the sides, if that makes sense. So they both fit. I love them, and I gotta say that my favorite's the coffee, because coffee, and I love the style of that shirt. So make sure you check them out, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.